Guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good day, good night, shalom, wagwan, namaste, my people in India. Now, Mama Suji is right here. I've come to check on the progress of this construction. Yeah, because they've been working on shattering. So I want to see how far they've gone. Yeah, so come with me. Yeah, come with me. Yeah, so that is a building, as you can see. Yeah, they've done like that. You can see the contractor right there. Contractor is right there, and it's past 5. What's the time now? Let me see. Let me see from my phone. It is now 5:36 p.m. East Africa time, guys. So yeah, I've come to check on that. I decided not to come early in the morning to give them time to work, because at times when you come to check on them, they feel like, well, they feel, is it afraid or something? Yeah, because they call you boss. The boss has come, the boss has come, which should not be the case, but yeah, that is how things are. So this is the surrounding. This is how it is. My fence is falling kind of here, but yeah, those are people that seated there. Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, so this is what's going on. Shattering, and then they're supposed to put that. They're supposed to put the steel. Don't know how it has been. Niaje? Yeah, so just asking my care guy what is going on here. Yeah, so this is the situation, how it is. So how are you?
Fine.
Hey, oh, there's water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and they are telling me there's no water today until tomorrow.
I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, let us catch up. So guys, I'm surveying the progress. As I can see, the steel has reduced. Here they've reduced. I hope there'll be no accidents coming from up there. So the rings, the rings are here. You can see them. These are rings, and those ones are the binding wires right there. They're still the same number. And the cement, as you can see, they are there. Things are like this. Things are like that. And yeah, so now, yeah, Dixon has brought another guy who's going to hold fort for him. Yeah, so habari ya wewe? Nakasalamianga tu hapa. Leo umeingia hapa. Jina lako ni nani? Unajua mimi nafanyanga hii mambo. Jina lako ni nani?
My name is Emmanuel.
Huh?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Yeah.
God with us.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So, unasema you are going to...
Me naenda nyumbani.
You are going home. Yeah.
And then
you'll come back.
I'll come back on date 5.
Okay, guys, let us go for out of camera. That off camera discussion. Now yeah, we were on rings, and you can see these rings are, they are supposed to be a total of 600. So there are those ones there, these ones here, and yeah, so that's what we are dealing with. Yeah, it's called construction. Yeah, so it's like that. Yeah, so those are the steel masons. Is it steel masons? And timber timber specialists. So I'm going up to see what is happening there. Yeah, that is how I'm moving. Yeah. So you see, oh, they're waiting. This what has happened here. Well, I'm just wondering, kwani? I've seen the other side, not yet. Or this side. Kwani hizi vitu? I'm wondering, kwani hazitoshi?
Hii trappers. Ndio hapana, ziko pale, si nataka fundi moja amalizie hapa, mimi yake balcony nilikuwa nimeacha kwa sababu ya watu kupita. Hao wengine wafunge chuma kesho. Sasa
okay.
No,
it's okay. No, let me just check on this. This is how it is, guys. It's like this. Let me show you after a little while. So guys, welcome back. We were surveying with a contractor, yeah, to see how things are going. And yeah, he has explained a few things here and there. So here it is done. So now it's still now to be fixed. He has organized on how this bit is going to be done. Yeah, I think it's just here to lay the trappers, the metal trappers. Yeah, this is how things are. Yeah, so this is all done. It is all done. It's all done. Yeah, so it's just putting up the trappers. Putting up the trappers, and that's it. Yeah, and then we can now seal it with a mixture of sand, filling it with a mixture of concrete, sand, dust, and cement next week. Yeah, so this is how things are. Yeah, the metal trappers have been put right there. You can see them, the one rated B. Yeah, M and B there. Those ones are the metal trappers. Yeah, I'm happy with the whole thing, and I thank God that yeah, I met this person, because it has released some of the headaches that I had, a lot of it. Yeah, so guys, this is how things are on this construction. Yeah, so plumbing is supposed to take place on when? On Saturday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Plumbing and electricity is supposed to happen. Yeah, so that is how things are. Yeah, so that is my person and the contractor, and I think the other people have already left. They've gotten their money and now they're leaving. Yeah, that is how things are. Yeah. So that is how things are. Yeah. So I'm coming down, guys. Coming down. I'm walking downstairs. This one is the steepest of all. This one was not done well, but they'll be rectified. Yeah. It's very steep, this one. It's very, very steep. But I thank God. Yeah. Unajua hawakumalizia zile nini? Hawakutengeneza zile chuma.
Kazaita kuwekwa chuma.
Zile mzee alikuwa anasema
Unasema? Hiyo itamalizwa chuma. Kuna topu nyingine unaweza chuma unaweza ongezea.
Oh. Aiwe. Yeah. So now this is how things are. Thank you. He's finishing me now. He's saying that maybe even I might be required to add more. But no. These ones are enough. This is how it is. Yeah. This is how things are. Yeah. So guys, this is the progress that we have here. Thank God. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going down again. This is how I'm going down. Yeah. Going down. All these are timber here. A lot of it. They're supposed to make use of it. Yeah. Yeah. So we are back to where we started. Yeah. The rings. The rings here. Rings are here. Thank you. And I close this vlog at this very end. Bye.